Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be a really quick Aliexpress haul. Took quite a while for some of these things to come in, but I am going to show you. So the first thing I got is this die, and it's a happy birthday shadow die. That's what I've been calling them. I don't know, shadow die, layer die, but it's happy birthday. It comes with the two pieces, and here is how it cuts out, guys. I am so happy with this die. And this is what we do with it. We do happy birthday, and then we do like that backdrop on there. So I cut a couple of them out because here's what I'm thinking. So if we cut the happy birthday out in like a simple color, like white or black, we can pretty much make the backgrounds anything that we want. So I only did them in white, but here I have some glittery card, and this cut out of this is like Michael's Recollections cardstock, and then the glitter cardstock is a little bit thicker than that, and it cut out perfectly. So here's how it looks with the glitter background, and then here's how it looks with a polka dot background. So pretty. And then we can even take them, layer up the happy birthday, right, just to give it more dimension and more thickness. So I cannot wait to start using this on my birthday cards because I'm thinking it's going to be pretty much a staple on the birthday card. So I will leave the links to everything down below. I don't remember the pricing, but I will tell you this. Oh, so you like my coffee mug? We went to HomeSense over the weekend, and we got these. It's a new store that opened up over here, kind of like a Marshall's or what's the other one? Home Goods, right? It's like that kind of thing where it's just different stuff everywhere, and the prices weren't bad. Okay, so then I went and I got some beads, and I got these star beads. Are these sealed? They come in this nice rubbery plastic bag, but I think the bag is like sealed to where I have to cut it open. And do I have a scissor? You guys are gonna laugh. The only scissor I have right in front of me right now is this. So let's just cut them open. We'll put them in something else in the end anyway, but I am loving the colors because it's just a variety of everything. We have pastels, we have our primary colors. So these are good for any season, any crafting, any of that. And I believe, I don't know how many I got in here, 200 or something. Oh, look, they're going all over the place. So those are your little stars. Those are pretty. Look how pretty they are. So pretty. Add those to a tassel. Yeah. Okay. So let's put those over there so they don't fall all over the place. Then these are other beads. These kind of reminded me of the candy necklaces. And these are in pastels, so perfect for spring and Easter crafting. And they're actually like soft. And I think in the title on AliExpress it said something, baby teething toy. Now guys, these are tiny. I would not hand these to a baby to have them chew on. But I just did, and yeah, you definitely could. So all right, you definitely look like candy, but yeah, I like these too. So we got those. I think you only get 100 in there, or 50? No, 100 in there. And then I got these bags that I thought were super cute. And whenever I order anything like this type of thing, anything that I have to worry about a size on AliExpress, I don't really know what I'm doing because everything, as you know, is in centimeters and that. So you get 50 of these bags. But I think they're a good size. So if we check our little measurements here, so the inside capability is about 3 inches, and then they're about 2.5. So you know what, these might be good for pocket letters. I do have that pocket letter swap and raffle going on now, so this actually might be, where's my ruler? Let's get an actual dimension on these. So they are just shy of 2.5, and they're a little bit taller than 3.5, but we can manipulate them a little bit, maybe. We'll see. I don't know. So you do get 50 of them. They open up like this, so they're holographic. Look how pretty they look in the camera. just want to try and open this. They're a little hard to open. It's like getting coffee filters apart. Or opening those bags in the grocery store now, the produce bags, because nobody wants to wet their finger to open the bag. Okay, so the Ziploc opens, and then this side here is clear, so any goodies that you put in, you'll be able to see. And then on the back is holographic. So super cute, super cool, and then you can just seal them up. And I guess you can see these are Ziploc, but they have this piece here that's like the tear part. So I guess if you seal them, because look what else they sent. Now, I didn't order these. Maybe they just added them in. And I'm not really sure what you would do with these guys, because look, they're longer. They do have that tear off piece here, right? But then they're white on both, so inside, and they're white on both sides. So I guess you can put something in here and maybe heat seal the bottom. I wonder if they would seal. Like in your feed, if you have like one of them food vac things, I wonder if it would seal in there. And then you would just tear off the top to get to the little prize inside. But yeah, so that must have been a little bit extra. So, all right guys, like I said, I will leave the link down below to everything that I got. Not too much. I do have a couple other things coming in that haven't arrived yet that I'm excited about. And I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.